2007 Topps Co-Signers Baseball.
Brought to you exclusively from blowoutcards.com. So we're going to start with the A-Rod Road to 500 box toppers. Okay, here we go. 3 autographs per, 1 dual autograph per box. Here we go. Pack 1. You got a good angle there, dude?
Sure do. Oh, got
Alright. I got a Justin Verlander.
Ooh.
And a Fidrich. Looks like an old schooler. Dual autograph.
What's it number
to 100 and nothing. But that is sweet. I always wanted a Verlander auto. So that's pretty nice.
Are you going to sell it? No.
No.
It's already a nice box.
Okay, I got a Michael Bourne rookie. And a blue Dice K rookie card.
Pujols. 150 out
150 out of 150.
Damn, this is already a nice box.
I don't know what the hell this is. It almost looks like they're autographs, but they're not. But it's numbered 150 out of 150. That is a very nice card right there. I know there's a lot of Albert Pujols fans.
A lot of Indians fans out there.
Okay. Adam Dunn. 122 out of 175. Okay, looking for 2 more autos. Maglio 99 275 and the Chef. Let's throw these over here. Really shit. $25 out of 125. Brian Giles.
It's like gold. Gold parallel.
Ooh. Got an Alex Gordon.
That's a nice
rookie
one.
auto. Not numbered.
Wow.
Very nice.
Very nice pull.
Here's another one of those blue parallel. Ubaldo Jimenez and Philip Humber. 115 out of 150. Okay, got a Carlos Delgado and David Wright, red.
That's a emerald. No, it's not emerald. It's a
187 out of 199.
It's a red. Yeah, they're trying to be like Leaf certified with the emerald and the gold and.
Okay, I got another autograph rookie right there. We'll save that for the end. There's my boy Zambrano. My favorite Major League pitcher. Here's the Chef and Maglio, 55 out of 299. That's like my second one. Maybe this is a hot box and I'll get 5 autos.
Yeah, that'd be nice. It's so.
Let's see. Let me just shut this phone off. Sons of bitches, leave me alone. Oh wait, I'll go there. We got Barry Bonds. It's a thick one, but it's not numbered. John Lieber, Jamie Moyer, 71 out of 225. And last pack. Travis Hafner and Victor Martinez. 183 out of 250. Okay, here's the last hit.
Is there one more pack? Okay. I see something good in that one.
There's Jeff Baker rookie card and Cano. Okay, here we go. And Adam Lind.
Wow, what a box.
144 out of 250. That is numbered, so. Take them away, Paul. We got the Verlander.
The Verlander is probably
Kid Rich, probably a Hall of Famer or something, or Tiger's great.
Duauto. And this Alex Gordon's very nice.
Very nice Alex Gordon and Adam Lind. And then, what about that?
This Ubaldo is one.
Well, it's Pujols next time.
The Pujols is 150 out of 150. Like they say, nice box.